Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hey guys, I just wanted to come here a quick look using the Violet Voss All of You Forever. First, I'm gonna use Infatuated. Let me clean my brush. I'm using Glamorous Dolls. This has no name, no numbers. Look, it looks like this. Did I mention my companion during my makeup videos? Right over here. Is this guy? This little guy right here? His name is Larry. Keeps me company. One thing I will say about this palette is that it does not have a matte green. Why would they do that? I have no idea. But the rest of the colors are really beautiful. I'm going to take this really high because I have hooded eyes. And if I wanted to show, I have to take that really high. This is my bad eye. I think everybody has one side that's a little more difficult. This is it. Can't find my brush, as usual. Same color on the lower lash line. I'm going to do a halo eye look. So now I'm going to put in the inner corner and outer corner Charmed. I'm using the Lavish eye shading. I'm going to use that same color and connect it at the bottom. I'm going to use All of You in the center. I'm going to use my finger. I'm gonna do the wing using this one. I got it in my Boxy Charm. It's called, can't see. God, I don't have my glasses. Dragon liner, I guess. When you have hooded eyes, it's really difficult to do a wing eyeliner to look good because you get these hooks. It's inevitable. It's inevitable. I need the mirror. That's the best I could do. They're okay. But this is really good. I like this. In the waterline, I'm using NYX, black one. For mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's really good. One of my favorites. I'll be using Dose of Colors in shade Cork. Gonna pop some lashes. These are the Ardell 3D fuck. I died. I kill myself sometimes. I'm not a guru. On. They're on. Finally. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, click on the bell to get notified, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!